Day I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 every
Well, welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today we got ourselves a banger daily market news and analysis. How's everyone feeling out of 10? We had a little bit of technical difficulties. Let me know if you're watching on YouTube. I was having trouble getting it up, but I think we're live on YouTube now. So let me know. Make sure you guys spam the like button, hit the share so other people can spam the like button and hit the share. Let's get this party started, y'all. What is up? What is up? What is up? Let me just grab this chat real quick because we was having some issues with this thing. Yeah, I think we're live. I think we're live on YouTube. If we're live on YouTube, tell me what's up. Say I'm here. If you can see me on YouTube. There we go. Let me pop this out. He says, I'm Pickle Rick.
I'm Pickle Rick.
All right, let's get it, y'all. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at $64,297.93. You'll love to see it. Here, fam. All right. We got it. Bitcoin is King says, Pickle Rick, I'm here. All right, cool. We're good. Yeah, I was having it disconnected from my YouTube for some reason. What's up, Ski? Yo, what up? So we're looking really good right now, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, the top story of the day is RFK dropped out and endorsed the Orange Man, especially on all of the swing states. Right now, looking at the charts though, show me the charts and I will tell you the news. We are looking beautiful, crossing above the 200 right now. Now, what I would like to see for confirmation is we start getting body closes, just like so. This is my beautiful candle. I want to see a body daily close on top of this, the bottom of the body close, on top of the purple moving average. And that could very well signify what is next. New all-time high in the next 90 days. You know what? I just realized I'm not live on my other TikTok. So let's get that going real quick. Let's get that rolling. Sweet. All right. Whoops. There we go. We're good. Where does it need to close above? I want to see the bottom of I want to see the bottom of the body of the candle above 63,200. Basically the low of the day, or tomorrow rather. I want to see above that, about 63,000. We could wick below there, but I want to see like the candle close above there, and that would signify the next move. And then beyond that, what we really need to take out is this right here at 70,000. And I told you guys, let the cream rise to the top.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Irish Dano, thank you for the roses, you savage.
But the cream will rise
Appreciate
to the
you, fam.
top, oh yeah.
And I told you guys the difference. Like, it's going to be quick. I'm telling you right now. The difference between 70 thou wow and 80 thou wow could very well be 2 days. On his mama. New all-time high the next 90 days. I agree. I very much agree. Let's look at the RSI. We're starting to creep to the upside. The stochastic RSI is creeping to the upside as well. That is looking very, very good. What is the fear and greed today? Hello. Let's refresh this. 34. Crazy. The fear is down, but the price is up. The fear is down, but the price is up. You love to see it. And all I can see right now, all I can hear in my head is Michael Scott. Oh my God. It's happening. Everybody stay calm. Everybody stay calm. What is up? What is up? What is up? Make sure you guys spam the like button, hit the share. Yeah, this is it, guys. This is the moment, or I will say we are approaching the moment that we have been waiting for months, for weeks, for months. The moment seems to be approaching. Now, I don't want to have high fives all around just quite yet, but this is looking good. Show me the charts, and I will tell you the news. Everyone was feeling awfully fearful. Gloom and doom. Recession talks. It's going to zero. He says, what the hell are they going to do? The next macro move is to 85K. Okay? The next macro move for Bitcoin is to 85K. Now, the difference and what we need to... So, I'm going to say the micro check is getting a body close tomorrow above 63K. That would be another check in the right direction. The medium check is above 70K. Okay? And the difference between 70K and 80K... The difference between 70K and 80K could very well be one day. Could very well be 2 days. Okay? It will be quick, fast, and a hurry. Alright? Make no mistake about it. Quick, fast, in a hurry. Show me the charts and I will tell you the news. Shout out to anybody that bought 50K Bitcoin. You are currently up 31%. AKA 3 years of stock market gains. Think it'll pull out the RSI? Yeah, certainly. We're going to have pullbacks. Certainly. But this doesn't look like right now. We will certainly have pullbacks. The big test is once we get about, I would say probably in the neighborhood of 68,000, 67,000. That's when I would anticipate decision, and it wouldn't be weird to back test probably 64K at that point. You think the local bottom for sure in on Bitcoin? This was the local bottom. If we make another bottom, it would be like a few weeks from now. Right? But this was the local bottom. Yes. September, a bearish month. That is correct. Typically. September, though, however, So when we look at, okay, what the market's going to do September 18th. When do you think alts will run? When Bitcoin gets above 80 plus K, that is when we're going to get altcoin season. All right, when we look at the seasonality chart of Bitcoin, and this gives us the monthly breakdown per month on Bitcoin, the average return on investment percentage-wise per month on Bitcoin, okay? What we'll notice, August and September are typically the worst 2 months, okay? The worst 2 months. What I'll say about September, though, September is a little bit skewed because during the bear markets, you have some of the worst crashes in September. And then in the bull markets, not as much. But hear me. You don't want to be late. Do not wait for the day that never comes. All right? Continue to DCA because you want to be accumulating this and experiencing October and November, which historically are 2 of the 3 best performing months. The other one is April. Can you please explain why Solnick hasn't purchased Deck Screener? What do you mean? We're on Deck Screener. Solnick. Why does 80K give us all season? Wouldn't Bitcoin Dom have to top out first? No, that's not how it works. Bitcoin 80K isn't the 80K is just a generic number, but really what we're waiting for is Bitcoin getting into price discovery, aka new all-time highs. And people will swear to you that when I say new all-time highs, what I am not referring to is a little wick over here. When we look on the weekly, I'm not referring to a double top. When I say new all-time highs, I'm talking about structurally clearly in a different phase. And when we structurally clearly get into a different phase, not kissing the same prior all-time high within spitting distance of the prior all-time high, a wick above the prior all-time high. No, clearly into price discovery, which is 85 plus K. That is when we are going to start to see the altcoins absolutely, positively run. How do you know when Bitcoin dominance is top? Oh, you're talking about Bitcoin dominance is topping out for sure. Do you even know, or just after the fact? Well, there's other signs, right? There's other signs, but 57% is crazy. I'm going to be looking for distribution. I'm going to be looking for us to get cracked below the 200 moving average. There's definitely signs that I'm going to be looking for. I'm going to be looking for the RSI. I'm going to be looking for us getting rejected here at the 1618, which is going to be 57.9%. There's definitely different signs that I'm going to be looking for. When is the rate cut? The rate cut's in September. Shiba Inu, I think we'll do about a 5x. What do we got here? Make sure I didn't miss nobody. All right. Do you believe the bull run will be over November 2024 and there will be no bull run in 2025? No, I do not believe. Okay. Here's the question. The question is, do I believe the bull run will be over November of 2024 and there will not be a bull run in 2025? No, I do not believe that. Here's why I do not believe that. Because it is the most popular narrative. I've heard that once. I've heard it 10,000 times from every single content creator, from your wife's boyfriend, from your Uncle Steve, from your cousin Shannon. I've heard it from all of them. They're all saying the same thing. So no, I do not believe that. And furthermore, I do not care when the time is. Time to me is the most irrelevant part of the equation. Time is at the very bottom of the totem pole for when I will be making a decision. Because if I get X, Y, and Z, if I get Coinbase, top 10 apps, if I get $8 trillion market cap for the total market cap, I don't care what month it is. I don't care what year it is. I'm taking action. If we see Bitcoin's above $207,000, I don't care what month or year it is. I'm taking action. Period. But I will say every single person is saying just that. What do you think Celsta will do? September 18th is the rate cut. Can you chart for Arrow? Another 30 days to accumulate, and the race is on. Floki, you probably do about a 5x. XRP going to do anything or stay the same? When Bitcoin gets into price discovery, aka 85 plus K, everything is going to go on a run, in my opinion. But over the course of the bull run, I think XRP will get to a minimum of $5. How long Tron meme's gonna suck out liquidity from Sol? I don't think too much longer, to be honest with you. That's a good question, though. September 18th is the projected rate cut day. What up, Ski? And all recap on any Solnic news, please. The big news is right now. So tomorrow's live stream, we're doing a $100,000 Solnic giveaway during tomorrow's live stream. So make sure you show up to that. And also, the big news is the next person that mints a Gary is getting $150,000 Solnic airdrop. ICP 10x from here, yes. Prediction on Rose, $1 to $2. 100. What at $1 that would equal 100K. Is it a good entry for XRP? Yeah, XRP is still undervalued. Still undervalued. Let's go back to here. Say your thoughts on the market cap range for Solnic and Hehe during the peak euphoria. $100 million market cap for Solnic. Minimum. As high as $1 billion market cap. That's my target for the peak euphoria stage. That's my price target. So giveaway tomorrow. Do you have to own NFTs? Not for the giveaway tomorrow. No, you do not. That's just because I missed the Thursday live stream. So I had to reschedule for Saturday. Because I did that, I'm going to give you guys some Solnic. But there is a airdrop for the next person that mints a Gary NFT, which a Gary NFT looks like this. The next person that mints one gets 150,000 Solnic. 3 NFT Telegram ready? No. It should be ready very soon. XRP legit? Yes. XRP is legit. How to mint? You go to launchmynft.io. You're going to need to connect a wallet, either Solflare or Phantom. You will need at least 0.34 Solana. And so when you go to the homepage, it will look like this. launchmynft.io. And then you're going to hit explore. And you're going to search hedge. And there it is. Hedge Funds Solnic Series 1. The next person that mints a Gary, which looks like this, is getting 150,000 Solnic. Do you think Bitcoin will continue to pump to 70K? Yes. Probably about 67K. This was my target from 50K. How much about Ali? How much money could I make if I drop 1,000 on XRP? Probably 10,000, somewhere in that neighborhood. 10 to 15,000. I'm just getting started. Where could I put 2 to 3 grand right now? I know, just an opinion. That depends on what risk to reward you're looking for, right? So if you had 2 to 3 grand, like, are you looking for a high risk, high reward? Are you looking for low risk, low reward? Are you looking for medium? Like, what's your criteria? Crypto is dead right now. That's crazy because Bitcoin alone, which is the worst performer, Bitcoin alone this year is up a 1x, which is about 10 years of stock market gains. So imagine having 10 years of stock market gains with the worst performer of all of cryptocurrency, and the bull market has not even started yet, and thinking it's dead. 10 years of stock market gains. That's what Bitcoin did this year. Solnic is the buy right now. Why isn't Solnic's deck screener purchase showing up here? XYZ. You can look at Solnic's all the purchases on dextools.io. This is what I use. So we're on Hehe. Dextools.io. It will show you every single purchase. $1.36 million market cap. Every single purchase. When does the bull run start? It starts when Bitcoin gets above 80K. Some of both. Medium risk, I guess. Well, for medium risk, I would say VeChain. Depending on your time horizon, right? So like depending on how long you're looking to hold. If you're looking for 20 years, I would say Bitcoin. If you're looking for the next 12 to 18 months, medium risk, I would say VeChain, Flux, Sauce. If you want a high reward, low market cap, Solnic is my favorite 100x plus meme coin. What's so special about Solnic? Developing a casino. All the inflation is done. Team is doxed. Deflationary. 5 million burn at 5 million. Market cap. NFTs. The casino is going to do royalty share with all the whales. The NFTs are doing royalty share with all of the whales. Honestly, would be happy with any gains. If your time horizon is 20 years, I would say DCA into Bitcoin. Matic thoughts? I like Matic. I think Matic will do about $9. Make sure you guys are spamming the like button, hitting the share, so other people can spam the like button and hit the share. Safest 3x Bitcoin. Solnic, that's right. SOLNIC. I have a lot of coins, but I feel like I'm on the surface, like how to do a deep dive, like staking pools. Well, you can follow me. You can follow my other account. I do a lot of deep dives like that. You could read the white papers, go on CoinMarketCap, and just read the white papers, what they do. How is Sonic the Hedgehog opening a casino? Solnic, SOLNIC, right here, SOLNIC. XTZ9, the last four. Where do you think Flux will go? About $13 to $17. Can you look up Seapool? Greetings from Turkey. Greetings. Minimum price target for Theta, 69 cents minimum. What platforms do you trade on? BitUnex, MEXC, KuCoin. I'm not loyal to any one exchange, though. I'll tell you that much. Let me get rid of this. Ski, morning. How you doing today? Good morning. ADA, $6 to $8. I really like the chart on ADA. Let's look up Algorand for my man on TikTok here. LCX prediction, $1 to $2. So I think he was asking the resistance for Algorand. I'm in the USA. I am too. I am too. You need a VPN. It's restricted for them, not for you. But you can use BitUnex right off the App Store. I'm new. Is it too late to buy? Absolutely not. The very best. Here's what you should do if you're new. Number one, follow me. Okay, I have a in-depth tutorial. It should be ready. I'm gonna say tomorrow. By the end of this weekend, the video will be ready. It's a start to finish beginner's guide. If you're brand new, you know absolutely nothing. I tell you what is Bitcoin, why is Bitcoin, how did we get to this moment, what problems do they solve, how you can use it, how you can be safe and secure with it. Okay, a beginner's guide, everything you need to know about Bitcoin. So you're gonna watch that. You can also read the Bitcoin Standard. It's a free audiobook on YouTube for free. Someone will read it for you. And then the next best thing is to DCA. That means to dollar cost average. That means you buy a little bit each and every week, regardless of what the price is. And here is the brass tacks on what Bitcoin really is and what you're really betting. Okay? When you buy Bitcoin, what you are betting is you are placing a bet that governments such as the United States and others alike will continue to print more money. That is what you are betting. So the question is, am I too late? I would answer that with, do you think governments will print more money? If yes, then no. If no, then yes. Someone just said something. What if you're not new and heavy in the red? Continue to DCA, Edward. DCA is your friend. So let's say you bought Bitcoin at the worst possible time. You started at when Elon Musk went on SNL. That was your first entry into Bitcoin. Let's say that was the first time you ever bought Bitcoin, was right here at the dippity top. At the absolute top. That's where your first time that you bought Bitcoin. Had you bought $100 every single week, all the way down, regardless of what the price was, every single week, you bought $100 every single week, you would be up over 50% right now, starting at the worst possible time. Thank you for the heart, you savage. Appreciate you.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Let's see. What else did I miss here? This guy doesn't know shit. I mean, I know that I called the bottom on the day 6 months in advance. I know that I called every single local bottom along the way. I know that I've called local tops on many different coins. I know that I've made lots of people, hundreds of thousands of people, hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's what I know. That's what I know. Video evidence documented. Video evidence. FTX. I said I would shave my head if we went lower. December of 2022. I said I would shave my head if we went lower. My hair is very long. Silicon Valley Bank went to 0. March 11th, 2023. I said I would shave my head if we went lower. My hair is very long. Video evidence, documented. The war in Israel. The war in Israel. Not only did I make a video about it, let's see. Not only did I make a video about it, I tweeted about it. And I said that this is what a local bottom feels like. Remember this feeling next time. Because this is what a local bottom feels like. 9/12/2023. I said I would shave my face. I said I would shave my head and my cat if we went lower. As you can see, my beard is very long. Look at this. 9/12/2023 at 12:43 p.m. I want you to think about how yesterday felt. Let me show you what 9/11/2023 was. Right here. 9/11/2023. The local bottom. I want you to think about how yesterday felt, how frustrated everyone was, how beaten down everyone was. Recognize that feeling next time, because that is what a local bottom feels like. Video evidence. When Mt. Gox went to 53K, when Bitcoin went to 53K because of Mt. Gox, I made a video, said it was a local bottom. On the day when Japan had the rate cuts and Bitcoin went to 50K, I made a video, said it was a local bottom. That's what I know. That's what I know. What's your Twitter? Gyaski. A run-of-the-mill character. Ha. No, because every single crypto creator was bearish in 2022. I was publicly. Big D, thank you for the confetti, the corn, the donut. Thank you for the roses, the tiny diny, the give me the vote, the chili, the corn. Madison, thank you for the donut and the friendships. You savages, I appreciate you.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
My bad. Solnik Dex screener confirmed as purchase. Carl says, I was there. CIA created Bitcoin anyway. They're gonna win in the end. Even if that was true, they don't control it anymore. Let me ask you this, Robert. Who invented the wheel? Who invented the wheel? Do you know? Do you care? How to mint Solnik NFT. I've never minted one before. It's just like buying. Minting is just another word for buying. But you're going to send 0.34 Sol to a wallet. You're going to connect that wallet to launchmynft.io. You're going to, when you go there, it will look like this. You're going to hit explore. You're going to hit search. And you'll type in hedge. Right here it is. Hedge Fund Solnik Series 1. The next person that minted Gary is getting a 150,000 Solnik bonus airdrop. Says talk your shit. What's your Twitter? People I believe started the wheel, but who cares? How about Solana? Bro, how are you gonna do zero research on me before just spewing nonsense? Crazy. Couldn't be me. At least 2 minutes of research. 2 minutes of research. Couldn't be me. Explain how to mint. Sub broski. What's up, fam? Thank you for the confetti, bro. I appreciate you. Copy and paste that. You want the, here you go. I got you. Algorand. All right, let's look at Algorand. I got distracted. My bad. I think you're blind. I have video evidence. Video evidence. Receipts. All right, let's look up Algo. You're like Patrick right now. Is this your wallet? Yep. Is your name Patrick Starr? That's my name. So this is your wallet. Seems reasonable to me. So take this wallet. It's not my wallet. It's not my wallet. Algorand at resistance. Algorand's just an accumulation. Firmly grasp it. The inner machinations of my mind are an enigma. Why don't you look up the meaning of Satoshi Nakamoto? They put it right in your face. What is the meaning? Enlighten me. When you understand the technology of how the technology operates, it doesn't matter who created it. Do you think China will unban crypto? Yes, I do. It doesn't matter. You know who created LSD? The CIA. Do you know what purpose they created LSD for? Mind control. Do you know what LSD does? The opposite of mind control. Oh, you're asking me. Yeah, it needs to get about, above that. That's right. It doesn't matter who created it. Even if they did create it. I don't believe they did. Even if they did. So what? They created LSD too. What's the retracement for Algo? $1.33. I just realized I don't have my chart up. After rate cuts, after the cut, where will Bitcoin head to? Here's what I think, okay? Based off of technicals, combining fundamental analysis with technical analysis, which I am not a fundamental analyzer. That is not what I do. But if I were to humor you, based off of what the charts say, my intuition tells me that we are going to get to somewhere between 80K and 100K. And then we're going to cut rates and we're going to back test the prior range. Because though everyone has been telling you they're not buying it, bro, because rate cuts, recession. Right? That's what everyone's been telling you. Not me. It would not shock me to rise into that. Get rejected. Backtest the prior range. Reaccumulate before going off away and again. I think it'll be rumor, sell the news. Maybe. Maybe. Been a local bottom for me since 2021. You got a DCA, Edward? DCA, Bitcoin is king. That's right, it's the only one that's not going anywhere. 20 plus years. It will be here. Thoughts on Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu is fine. The chart looks good. Here's the deal with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is not a low market cap gem that's going to 1000x. It's a top 10 cryptocurrency. If it was a stock, it would be on the S&P 500. Shiba Inu will probably 5 to 10x. If those are your expectations, Shiba Inu is great. If you think it's going to 50, 100, 1000x, you will be disappointed. Are you growing the beard? Are you growing that beard? Do you think the banana's on? What are you asking me? Those are two entirely different questions. Turbo and Floki. I do not like Turbo's chart at all. Floki's chart looks fine. Ski, how high do you see Pendo going when Bitcoin gets to 85K? We'll look at that. Do you think Kadena is dead according to the chart? No, I don't. Kadena's chart looks fine to me. Let me look up. Let me not speak, actually. So let's look up Pendo, and then we'll go to Kadena. Pendo. Is this the right chart? Big D. Is this the right chart? If so, $11. What's your fastest 5x from now? Solnic. SOLNIC. Turbo has just a bit more coins than Jasmine. Yeah, I got that, but I'm just talking about the chart. You're asking me my opinion. I don't have a dog in the horse. I don't own any Turbo. I don't like the way that their chart looks. Their chart looks like distribution with a huge gap in the market. Gaps tend to get filled. I don't like it. I don't like Turbo's chart, not even a little bit. Let's look up Kadena. KDA. Is it dead? I wish it would get going. I don't think it's dead, though. This, to me, looks like it's going to retrace. So you're looking at about $5. Which is still just shy of a 10x. When do you see a pullback? Like on a big scale, or just like Bitcoin going back to 60K? Most alts pumped today. LCX didn't. Should I be worried? No. Do not analyze it on a day-to-day. How high Solnic go when Bitcoin hits 80K? Minimum $10 million market cap. Easily could get to 25 million. Easily. Algorand slept on like Howl chart looking. It's okay. It's not. How do I feel about Algorand's chart? Their chart, to me, it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look wonderful either. It looks okay. Minimum, it's going to retrace, though. $1.30 plus cents. That's like a 10x. You read the wrong. Algorand is slept on. I like how the chart is looking. It's okay to me. People are bored with it. That is true. Where would you move 2,000 of Turbo into? Solnic. if you want another meme coin. If you want to secure, like, if you want like a 20-year hold, I would say Bitcoin. SOLNIC. All right. You guys want to look at? Let's get back to the Bitcoin. What about Jasmine? Listen, I like Jasmine fundamentally. Their chart even looks good, but their inflation is bad. Meaning the amount of tokenomics, or the amount of tokens that they are dumping on supply, is very bad. Okay, so the reason we get out of the US dollar in the first place is because of inflation. Jasmine is no different. Jupiter, I like Jupiter a lot. Jupiter is a very solid project. Ty says, haven't heard much about LCX. Why you like it, Ski? Quick rundown. Well, most of what I'm looking at. Okay, so let's remember when. Let's go back in time, right? And then you could even go and look at my videos. Okay, in April timeframe, when LCX was 36 to 39 cents, I was not bullish on LCX. I was saying that it was overheated. I was saying that it's okay value. Right? That's what I was saying back then. The fact that we have now came back under the 236 and people are bored, very bored with LCX, to me is bullish. When you look at the Fibonacci, so the question is why you like LCX. Why do I like LCX? The reason I like LCX is because of the charts. That's the main reason. It has good charts, good fundamentals, good tokenomics. Okay, but when we look at the charts, this is Wyckoff accumulation, sign of strength, backtest of the prior range. Okay, here's what is next. This is the same phase. Markdown, sign of strength, backtest. The next phase is the markup or the bull run. INJ, same thing. Markdown, accumulation, sign of strength, backtest. Bull run is what is next. When you look at any coin that has good tokenomics, aka the inflation is not out of control. Any chart, I don't care what it is. If it looks like this, it's a good looking chart. All of these. If it looks like this, it's a good looking chart. Okay? All of them. This is what I'm looking for. This is the most bullish chart. So back in April, I was not bullish on LCX. I am now because of the value of where it is, especially below the 236. So if I were to pull a Fibonacci, this is how I classify things. Anything below the 0.5 with good tokenomics is good value. Anything below the 382 is great value. Anything below the 236 is excellent value. Excellent and ideal place to accumulate. LCX is below the 236 with the setup that I like. Yeah, Algo's inflation looks okay to me. 2-year coin, low on coin market cap. What are you talking about? What coin are you talking about? 2-year low. Solnic is not even 2 years old. And even if that was true, it's not. For Solnic, would you rather buy something that's at a low or at a high? That's not true though, because we went to 400K We were at 20K when I took over. So you might have the wrong one. Let me type it in for you. SOLNIC. Define bullish and FOMO. Okay. That's two different things. Good question. Okay, so bullish. When people say bullish or bearish, right? What they mean is if a bull were to hit you, right? This is you walking. A bull would hit you into the air. So when they say something is bullish, that's what it means. It means it's going to go up higher. If something is bearish, if a bear were to hit you, it would maul you to the ground. That's what it means. Bearish. Okay, so that's bullish and bearish. Now, what is FOMO? FOMO stands for fear of missing out. It typically, almost exclusively, happens when something is on a rocket ship and for no good reason. There's no fundamental reason. There's no technical reason. You have a fear of missing that ride. So you buy it. It's almost never a good thing to FOMO. It's almost never a good thing to do to FOMO. But that's what it stands for. Fear of missing out. All right. A good coin, low supply, low market cap. Yeah, it's best to look at it on Dex Screener because you're gonna see the whole history. CoinMarketCap only has the history of when we got on CoinMarketCap. What do we got? Make sure you guys are dropping a follow. Don't just lurk. Spam the like button, hit the share. Sure I didn't miss nobody. All right, cool. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna finish up this video that I've been working on. It's a beginner's guide to Bitcoin. If you're brand new, putting a lot of time into that one, so I'm excited for that. The next person that mints a Gary Gensler NFT is getting a 150,000 Solnic airdrop tomorrow. You don't have to do nothing but show up. We're giving away 100,000 Solnic. So tomorrow, 2 p.m. Central Time, I will be live. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. Follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. I will never message any of you first. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless.
Damn, hustling. Every